Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing this glam look for the holidays, and everything that I'm going to be using is affordable makeup from the drugstore or from Shop Miss A. I did a Shop Miss A mini haul, so I'll be showing you everything I got. If you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. So today what I want to do is do a full face using affordable makeup, and it's perfect right now because I just received a package that I ordered on Black Friday and it's from Shop Miss A. So here's my package. I did a mini haul on Shop Miss A, and oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Something is open in here and it's all black and dirty. I don't know if you can tell. Hopefully it's not broken, it's just open. Oh great. Well, there's a mystery to be solved. Why am I not surprised? I'm not surprised. So let me open this up and see what's broken. Or opened. I opened it up. Let me see. I'm gonna dirty my hand. Okay, let's see. Maybe it's from here. I don't even remember what I got because it was a while back. It was in November and it took a long time to get here. A bronzer. I got that one that I'm gonna use as a contour type of thing because it's kind of dark. I ordered more lashes because I love their lashes. They've become one of my favorites. So I ordered a different style. This is so dirty. Look how dirty this is. I'm assuming it's a eyeshadow, I guess. Well, this is in style Elidia. And look how wispy they are. So I can't wait to try those out. Plus, I also ordered from Kala. These are more natural, so those are pretty too. I went a little crazy with the lashes. I think I ordered another pair. It should be around here. Oh, I ordered an angle brush that I needed because this one's a little bit bigger than the ones that I have. Look at my hand. So I ordered this one. It's the E147. It's not as thin. Oh no, it's actually pretty good. It's a good size. Then this over here is a smoothing primer because I've never tried AOA's primer, so I wanted to try it and see. This is the HD High Definition Face Primer by Malibu Glitz. Okay, this is what's open or broken because I see a black eyeshadow in there. And this is the matte eyeshadow by Color Stylist, and oh, it broke. Look at this. It's all broken. Two of them broke. The black one is all destroyed. It's not even in the pan anymore, and all the black covered all the other colors. That happened, and it came out of oh my god, everything's a mess now. Yeah, let me put this aside. I don't think I would be able to use that. And look at my hands now. This is going so well. And then the last thing I see here, I think is another eyeshadow. No, this is a blush palette. I got the AOA Studio blush, which fell. I don't want to touch my face. And this one is in shade Kyoko. Nice rosy pink. And then this one is Mineral Quad Blush by Starry, and it brings 4. So that's basically what I got. So I can't use this eyeshadow because I'm not even gonna open that. I don't think so. I'm not opening that. So what I'm gonna do is take out everything that I'm gonna use because I want to do a full face of affordable makeup, and I'll be right back. I gotta clean this up. I'm back. I'm all clean. I cleaned everything. So So I'm gonna go in with the primer, and I had to pin everything back because this is a wig and it has a lot of hair. This is so funny, it comes out pink. This is very funny. Do you see that? And it's foamy. It's very foamy. Oh, it is so weird. It doesn't smell like anything, but it's just so weird, the texture of it. But don't knock it until you try it, right? So I'm just putting this on my T-zone and pressing it in. It's very silicone-y. I don't know if I like those type, but I think they're good for blurring out your pores. Yeah, it does blur out my pores. I think I'm gonna like it. For foundation, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible drugstore foundation, and I'm using shade 420. If you want even cheaper foundation than this one, I really love the Wet n Wild one, Photo Focus. This is like $5.99 or something like that. I ran out of this one. This is a shade too dark for me. The actual shade that I'm in this one is Shell Ivory, but I ran out of it and I can't find it every time I go to try to purchase it. They never have it, so I'm gonna go in with this one. First, I'm gonna use the Halo Glow Liquid Filter by e.l.f., which is also affordable, just to give a little glow in certain areas, not everywhere because I have an oily T-zone. And I'm using a Real Technique sponge, which is also affordable, and I love them. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay. I like this one a lot. So is everybody ready for Christmas? You got your Christmas shopping all done? I do. And for powder, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Loose Powder. This is in shade 612. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Well, since I can't use the palette that I bought, I'm gonna be using these two from Wet n Wild. Super affordable. I've used these a lot of times. I've even traveled with them because it has a black. I think I've taken this one with me. As you can see, it's been used quite often over here. So I think I'm gonna go and maybe use both. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, because I want to use this one right here. It's like a brown reddish tone. I'm gonna start with that color first. I'm gonna put that all over the crease and above. So what are your New Year's resolution, if you make them? I gotta say that the past 2 years, I've actually done a New Year's resolution and I've actually accomplished it, which I'm proud of myself. So, but this year I have nothing in mind. Like, I don't know what I want to accomplish. But if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments down below. By the way, I don't know if these have names. No, I don't think so. This one's called Lights Off. But I ripped off the sticker to this one, the label. So I don't know that one. Now I'm jumping into the other palette, which is called Lights Off. And I'm going to use the black, just to deepen the outer corner. And I'm gonna wing this out a little bit. Like that. Okay, so I'm using the NYX glitter primer. I already put it on. And now I'm gonna use this shimmer up here. Now I'm gonna take the lightest shade in the palette to use in the inner corner. I'm gonna spray my brush first. And I'm gonna use that in the brow bone as well, up here. Now there's a green in the palette that I want to use, which is up here. It's very dark, and I'm going to use that for the lower lash line. And I'm using that AOA brush to get the black and do a very thin line right here and connect it up here. And it helps to sharpen that. Now I'm going to use my black eyeliner from Bettina, extremely cheap. I found this at Walmart. And I'm going to do a thin eyeliner using the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. This is one of my absolute favorites. For lashes, I use the AOA that I just got, that came in the bag, which I love them. They're super comfortable. And I use for lash glue the Duo Glue, super affordable. And for mascara, I use the Maybelline Sky High. So now I'm going to try a little bit of the AOA Perfect Bronzer, and this is in Cold Brew. Seems quite dark, so I'm going to go in very light-handed because these tend to be very pigmented. I have another one, but it's more on the orange side, and a little goes a long way. So I'm assuming this one's going to be the same. Very pigmented. And I'm gonna try this one by AOA. So I think it's very pinky and cute. Love that. Love that color a lot. And for highlight, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild, and this is in shade Precious Petals. For lips, I love these lipsticks from Milani. These are I think these are called the Fetish Collection or something like that, and I love them so much. They're so good. And this one is in shade Secret. It's like a nude, the perfect nude. They're so creamy, so soft. They're matte, but they don't feel dry at all. They feel super nourishing. Now, if you want to add a lip gloss over it, I recommend this one from L'Oreal. These are super good as well, and it smells awesome. But this is it. This is the final look. I did a glam look using all affordable makeup. Stuff I purchased from the drugstore and some stuff that I purchased on Shop Miss A. What do you think? I love it. I like everything that I tried. Everything worked great, perfectly. I love this blush, and the bronzer, I thought it was going to be much darker, but it's actually pretty good. I love this. Of course, I love the lashes. They have like the best lashes out there. And the primer, it does blur out my pores, so I'm going to continue using this for sure. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.